Hello everyone. In this video and in this series, we are going to solve all the questions from exercise 1.1 in NCERT 8th mathematics. And in this video, we will see the first one, question 1, first question. Question is using appropriate properties, find value of this. This is simple expression. Definitely for class 8th, it's a simple multiplication and minus and plus we can do that. But question is asking using appropriate properties. So we have to use some properties which we have learned earlier, and we have to show that how we are going to use that, and then find the result. So to solve any such question, we have to find two things. So first, what we are how we are going to group that numbers, and second thing, what is common in that, in all this term, because that will help us to identify the properties, because all the properties are based on in distributive property, we know that it's we have to take something common. In commutative property, we have to take from left to right, right to left. So if we know these two things, what is common in this term and what is how we are going to group it, then we can easily find what properties we can use here. And before we start, I also want to say that remember the preference, because in all mathematics, in any sum, you have to, when you see lot of operations like multiplication, plus, minus, and division and bracket, so remember the preference that first always we have to use bracket. Any bracket will be used first, and then we have to use division, and then multiplication, then plus, and then minus. So anywhere if you see bracket, that we have to do first, then division, then, and at the end we have to do subtraction. So here we can see the highest preference number is highest preference. Here we can see highest preference is multiplication. So we can group it like this. This is one, this will be second, and this will be third. And now we have to find what is common. We can see 3 by 5 is here also and here also. So next what we will do, we will move this third group to here in second place, and this one to third. So in next line I will just change the position of that. I am going to write minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6, bringing it here, and plus 5 by 2 here. And how we did that? Using what property? This is commutative property. So mention here. Because we have used a plus b equal to b plus a in this form, we have used that. Next, what we will do, now we have two terms close to each other which are 3 by 5 is common. So in next line we are going to take 3 by 5 as common and then solve it. Remember that what sign you are taking here as common. We have option here, since this expression has minus also, so we can also take a minus here. In that case we have to write 2 by 3, but just to make it, keep it simple, I am just taking 3 by 5 as common. So we have here minus 2 by 3, and 3 by 5 is common, so here again we have minus 1 by 6 and 5 by 2 as it is. Next, it is simple sum. Now we have to solve. 2 by 3 we can write as, if you multiply by 2 in numerator and denominator, it will become 4 by 6, and minus 4 by 6 and minus 1 by 6. This will become minus 5 by 6. So it will become 3 by 5 into minus 5 by 6 plus 5 by 2. Again, don't confuse with the plus or this multiplication sign here, because remember the preference. This is multiplication sign, so this we are going to solve first. And 5 into 1 5, 3 into 2 6, so this will become minus 1 by 2, and we have 5 by 2. That will be finally 5 minus 1, 4 by 2, and answer is 2. But we have to mention that after using commutative property, what property we have used here. In this, from this expression, we have taken 3 by 5 as common and then solve it. So here we have used distributive property. In distributive property we know A into B plus C equal to AB plus AC. Here we have already in the form of AB plus AC. So we have taken A common and then inside bracket we have B plus C. So here we have used distributive property. So these two property we have used, you just mention that and then easily we solve it and answer is 2. Thank you. In next video we will see the next question 1 part 2.